What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about part 2 of our token impersonation. So let's get right into it. All right, so in part 1, we actually left off here. Yes, we used GodPotato.exe with the following command, and GodPotato using it with the who command, the whoami command, right? It actually utilizes and establishes an NT authority system. So all the way at the bottom, you see current user. Great. Now, let's take this a little further. So from here, let's click on session. Let's click on new tab. And I'm going to type in the following command. We're going to use MSF Venom and create a reverse TCP payload. And the name is going to be nc.exe. Okay, platform is going to be Windows. It's going to be in exe formats. Flavor is 64 bits. The local host is going to be the IP address of your Kali machine and whatever local port number you establish. I established 4446. I'm going to hit enter. Great. There goes our payload. I called it nc.exe. You're able to call it whatever you want, all right? Now, we're going to type in the following. Yes, we're going to establish a Netcat session using the port that we assigned to our payload, which was 4446. I'm going to hit enter, and now it is in listening mode. So let's head back to our foothost. Great. I'm going to type in the following command. I am going to pull down that payload into the uploads folder, and I'm going to hit enter. Excellent. I'm actually going to type in dir and hit enter. So now we have our new payload that we just created, which I called nc.exe, and we have our GodPotato.exe. Now, what we're going to do is use the payload that we just created within MSF Venom, right? And use GodPotato to escalate our privileges. So I'm going to type in the following command. Bingo. I'm going to hit enter. Excellent. It actually started a new process ID, which is 5428. Now, if we head over to our tab that we established our Netcat listening, let's head over now. Bam, it gave us a command prompt. So within here, let's type in who am I and hit enter. There it goes. It gave us NT authority system privileges. Awesome. So I'm going to leave it here, and I'll catch you guys on part 3. Peace out.